Alright, so let's start with a rectangle. And the other corner of that will be 2, 2. Next, let's go ahead and create a circle, 2 points, that midpoint to that midpoint. Let's take a look at this in an isometric view. First, I will move the circle up a distance of 3. Pick my base point. Make sure you have your ortho turned on. And now you can see that I have a positive Z. Type in 3. Go to copy. Select your square. Base point. And move this up a height of 6. Once again, make sure it's giving you a positive Z direction. Loft. Select them in the order. So select your square, circle, and then your other square. And then hit the enter button twice. Let's take a look at this in shades of gray. Use the shell. Select this 3D object and only remove the top face. Let me just take a look around, and I did see that it did remove that face. So I'll tell it to add. Come back and select that face. Okay, so the only face that I want removed is the top face. Then give it a shell distance, which is 0.125. And then hit the enter button twice after you put in that. So that your face should be complete.